So for today, magluluto naman tayo ng pork I've been growing a few fruits and vegetables for a few years now. I'll soon put out a video of my garden and I'll share with you the veggies that I'm growing, the seeds that I bought, the method that I use, so please stay tuned for my gardening videos.